Ever felt like your life, your work, your projects are just a giant, tangled mess of sticky notes? Like you're constantly juggling a million things, and somehow all those balls are about to come crashing down? Yeah, me too. And honestly, that's why you're here, right? You're searching for a solution, a way to bring order to the chaos. Maybe you've heard whispers of this magical tool called Trello. And like a lot of people, you're wondering, is this the answer? And more importantly, is it going to cost me an arm and a leg? Because let's be real, in today's world, everything seems to have a subscription fee attached. Want to listen to music? Subscription. Want to watch movies? Subscription. Want to, breathe clean air? Probably a subscription in the near future. So, naturally, you're asking the million-dollar question, is using Trello free? Well, let's dive in and get some clarity. First, let's paint a picture. Imagine a whiteboard. A really, really big whiteboard. Now, imagine that whiteboard is digital, and you can organize anything and everything on it using movable cards. That's essentially what Trello is. It's a visual collaboration tool that uses a system of boards, lists, and cards to help you manage your tasks and projects. You can use it for anything, from planning your weekly grocery list to managing a complex software development project with a team of dozens. It's incredibly versatile, and that's a big part of its appeal. Now, back to the burning question, the cost. The short answer is yes, Trello does have a free plan. But, as with most things in life, there's a little more to it than that. The free plan, officially called the Free Plan, genius, I know, gives you access to a surprising amount of functionality. You can create unlimited boards, which is fantastic for managing multiple projects or areas of your life. You can also add unlimited members to your boards, meaning you can collaborate with friends, family, or colleagues without worrying about hitting a paywall. Each card, which is the basic unit of organization in Trello, can hold a wealth of information. You can add checklists, due dates, attachments, comments, and labels. You can even assign cards to specific members of your team. This makes it incredibly easy to keep track of tasks and ensure everyone knows what they're responsible for. And here's another big win for the free plan. You get unlimited power-ups per board. Power-ups are essentially integrations with other tools or additional features that enhance Trello's functionality. Think integrations with Google Drive, Slack, or custom fields. You can add a lot of customization to your boards with them. So what's the catch? Why would anyone pay for a premium plan if the free plan offers so much? Well, the free plan does have some limitations. One of the main limitations is file attachment size. On the free plan, you're limited to 10 megabytes per file. This might be fine for small documents or images, but if you're working with larger files like videos or high-resolution images, you'll quickly hit that limit. Another limitation is the number of team boards. While you can create unlimited personal boards on the free plan, team boards, which are designed for collaboration within organizations, are limited. This means if you're a large team, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan to create enough team boards for everyone. And then there are the advanced features. The paid plans, like Standard, Premium, and Enterprise, offer features like advanced checklists, custom fields, timeline views, and priority support. These features are designed to streamline workflows and improve productivity for larger teams or organizations. Let's break down the paid plans a little further. The standard plan is a good option for small teams that need more storage and basic collaboration features. It increases the file attachment size to 250 megabytes and offers advanced checklists. The premium plan is designed for teams that need more advanced features, like timeline views, dashboards, and admin controls. It also increases the file attachment size to 250 megabytes and offers unlimited team boards. And then there's the enterprise plan, which is designed for large organizations that need enterprise-grade security and compliance features. It offers unlimited file attachment size, advanced security controls, and personalized support. So, which plan is right for you? It really depends on your needs. If you're an individual or a small team with basic organizational needs, the free plan is likely more than sufficient. You can manage your personal projects, collaborate with friends and family, and even run a small business without spending a dime. However, if you're a larger team or organization that needs more advanced features and collaboration tools, a paid plan might be worth considering. The standard and premium plans offer a good balance of features and affordability, while the enterprise plan is designed for those who need the most robust features and security. Now, let's talk about some real-world examples of how people use Trello for free, because honestly, seeing it in action is the best way to understand its potential. Imagine a student using Trello to organize their coursework. They can create a board for each subject, with lists for to do, in progress, and completed. They can then create cards for each assignment, adding due dates, checklists, and attachments. This helps them stay on top of their workload and avoid missing deadlines. Or imagine a family using Trello to plan a vacation. They can create a board for the trip, with lists for accommodation, activities, and packing list. They can then create cards for each hotel, activity, and item to pack, adding links, images, and notes. This helps them keep everything organized and ensures everyone is on the same page. And it's not just for personal use. Many small businesses use Trello's free plan to manage their projects and workflows. A marketing team might use Trello to manage their content calendar, with lists for ideas, in progress, and published. A software development team might use Trello to track bugs and feature requests, with lists for backlog, in progress, and done. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is you can start using Trello for free right now. You don't need to enter any credit card information or sign up for a trial. Simply create an account and you're good to go. So, to recap, yes, using Trello is absolutely free, and the free plan offers a ton of value. You can create unlimited boards, add unlimited members, and use unlimited power-ups. However, there are some limitations, such as file attachment size and team board limits. If you need more advanced features or are part of a larger team or organization, you might want to consider a paid plan. Ultimately, the best way to decide which plan is right for you is to try Trello for yourself. Start with the free plan, explore its features, and see how it fits into your workflow. If you find that you need more features or storage, you can always upgrade to a paid plan later. Don't let the fear of hidden costs hold you back. Trello is a powerful tool that can help you organize your life and work, and you can start using it for free today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.